So what's up, my people? It's your boy King here once again with another old update, and I'm gonna make a live withdrawal first. So before doing anything on this video, let me first of all place withdrawal. So if I click on this place that says my section now, you see the balance I'm having here. So if I click on this robot too, you see, let me go ahead and receive my benefits of today's robot being done for me. So if I click on this particular place now, as you can see, it just added my balance and I want to make a withdrawal. So what I have to do now is to go over to my reward wallet and click on this place that says enter the amount that I want to withdraw. Since I'm having 7.74 USD here, I'm gonna withdraw it, but remember what you're gonna withdraw is 50% of it. So if I click on it, I'll be expecting something more than $3 on my account. As you can see, I'm now having 22.4 USDT on my account. So the next thing I have to do now is to click on this place that says Web3, and now it's time for me to withdraw. So if I click on this place that says send, it's gonna ask me transfer quantity. So this is my transfer quantity, 22.4, and then let me enter my payment password. So as you can see, I've done withdrawing it. So if I click on this place that says withdrawal now, you will see that it's now under review. So once the withdrawal is confirmed, I'm gonna come back to you guys. So later on, as you can see that the withdrawal is now successful, just like the other one. It's no more failed, just like the previous one. It's now successful, and I'm gonna show you guys the reason why my withdrawal was successful. And look at it here over my Trust wallet. I just want to show you guys that I withdrawn it to my account. It's not a scope, I'm not lying to you guys, and there's no withdrawal charges apart from the charges when you are withdrawing from your active wallet, from your reward wallet to your active wallet. So for those of you that doesn't know what is LUDT, LUDT is leadingbot.com. It's leading bot where people hire a robot to be doing trading for them and giving them revenue every day according to the product that they bought. So first thing first, once you sign up with the link in the description, it's going to take you over to this particular where you will go. If you go over to marketplace, you see the list of the robots that they have. So I don't know if you guys can afford it, but I want to show it to you guys. So as you can see, like this one now, let's go for to the cheapest ones over here. I think the cheapest one here is $60. The one that I bought, when I bought my own bot, I bought the one of $29. There was the one time that they launched a level 18 LV800 robot, and I bought it with $29, and I urged my downlines to bought it that time. I don't know how many of them that bought it. I think it's only one person that bought it, and that person is eating his gain now, as in it. Just like me, I've been gaining it and gaining it again. But if you're in the shoes of those people that have been using this particular platform for a long time for free, because there is a free version of it, all you have to do is to check how much you have on your reward wallet. If it's a good amount, then deposit on your enter deposit so that you can activate withdrawal, and then you will withdraw from your reward wallet to active wallet, then withdraw the rest. You can withdraw that thing that you mined for free and then withdraw it to your account. And also, if your credit score have reached 100, just like my own is 98.45. If your credit score reaches 100, you can also withdraw for free according to the customer service of the platform. So now let's assume that you have bought the bot. It's gonna be working for you, depending, like the $60 bot is gonna, let's know how much is gonna be working for you. So it will be working 2 times daily. That means you have to be activating it 2 times daily, and it will be giving you from 0.7 to 1.9 income every day. So that is just it. So for my own, and bear in mind that after 90 days, according to the platform, your robot is gonna come back to you, to your account ASAP. As in, after 90 days, the actual deposit that you made to start up the bot will come back to your account, and you can choose to withdraw or reinvest. So for me, I'm still using it because it have not yet been 90 days. So how do you activate your robot once you are done buying a robot? Click on this place that says robot. If you click on it, it's gonna take you over to where you have to activate your robot. So it's very simple. My own only works a day for me, and I've been working since I bought this LV800 bot. It has been working for me, and it's still remaining 39 days for me to be earning every day for it, and it's only 1 work per day for me. So all I have to do is to click on this digger, this blue and white digger icon, and it will start mining USD for me until 2 hours. I think 2 hours. After 2 hours, no, it's more than 2 hours. After some time, it's gonna give me it's gonna last for 239 minutes. So I don't really know how much is 209 minutes. So for those of you that know are new to it, once your robot is done working, just like I clicked on this particular place that is showing tether coin inside the bag, just click on it like on your own robot like that. You are gonna receive the benefit on your reward wallet. You are gonna receive the benefit of whatever your miner did on your reward wallet. So that is how to do it. Now, for those of you that are having issue withdrawing from this USDT, this is very simple. This is what you have to do. There is a video in the comments, the first comment of this video now. So this is the video you need to watch. This is a video that I made. I showed you guys how to verify your account on USDT so that you can easily withdraw it, because I knew that by the time I'm making the video, I'm not gonna be able to show you guys how to verify your account, because you need to be certified on Tron Link app. Go to Tron Link app, copy this link, go to Tron Link app and sign up to your it. It will charge you that 21 around 21 to some amount of TRS to verify your account. But please use a new brand new wallet and don't use Binance account, because I don't think you can log into Tron Link with your Binance account. Use Trust Wallet and cop, or easily, if you have not registered or linked your account before, just easily go to Tron Link, create an app account there and link it up. Remember, any wallet address that you link to your wallet, to your account on USDT is the same wallet that you use to verify it, and that wallet needs to have TRS on it, around 25 to 21 TRS on it. So that is how to verify your account on USDT to activate withdrawal. And this is how to earn money from USDT. It's very simple. Once your miner is done mining, receive the benefit that you get from that miner for that day, and you can withdraw from your reward wallet to your active wallet, just like I'm about to do right now, because you cannot withdraw to your active wallet. You cannot withdraw from your reward wallet direct to your bank, to your wallet address. No, you need to send it to your active wallet before you can easily withdraw. So how do you do it? I'm having 1.6 USDT here, so it's gonna take 50% of whatever you are withdrawing. Look at it over here, 50% of whatever you are withdrawing. So as I'm putting 1.6 here, I will not be getting that same 1.6. So as you can see now, I don't have anything on my reward wallet again, and I'm now having 80 cents on my active wallet, and minimum withdrawal is 12 USDT. And once you are done verifying your account, if you click on this particular place now, once you are done verifying your account, it's gonna be showing certified with green arrow here. As you can see, it's showing withdrawal certified with green arrow. Look at it over here. And for you to check your minimum withdrawal is for 12 USDT, just like I told you guys. And for you to check your withdrawal record, you click on this place that says withdrawal, and it's gonna load up your withdrawal record for you. So for those of you that have failed just like me, you can also do the same thing by verifying your account on Tron Link so that you can be able to withdraw just like I'm done. So as you can see, this is not my first withdrawal on USDT. Actually, this is my 5th withdrawal on USDT, and it is very, very good. I hope you guys got value from this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.